I used to get no replies. Now the girls want hold this pipe. Me and bro done hella footwork. Now we got a booming line.
Oh my days, my days. Oh my days, my days. Oh my days.
Big up D-Raider.
Big up D-Raider. D-Raider back on the radar 2019,
get this guy back on the map.
D-Raider back on the radar 2019.
Nah,
Let's
that's
go,
ridiculous, fam.
Oh my days. Yo, listen. You lot wanted to play some games with Stormzy and he wasn't there for it, fam. Get it?
He wasn't there for it.
Wait, I see man pull up in boxing gloves, in boxing shorts, sweating like a boxer, ready to box some guys, fam.
I heard that was all sounds of the Skeng, fam.
It's Mr.
Can't
Skeng.
lie, I ain't heard Stormzy and Skeng in the same sentence for a while.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to see if it's a bit of the old Stormzy and the Skeng man. Looks kind of that, like, do you get it? Trying to see that.
Big back down the man. Oh shit.
Big back down the man.
Come to look up the dance and want some girls. Come on. Listen though, without further ado, in fact, no matter how far in life you get, always remember. My days, oh my days. Think about it. Without further ado, let's get straight into the
video.
Until you got some
Education.
This guy's different, fam. I like some too, though.
Easy. And it's like 5 whole years on a circuit, every single year.
Yeah.
Every single year. I switch fields, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it. Turbo reimburse it. I just hope that it's worth it. Cause if it's up a bitch, I think I'ma make it look perfect. I'ma make it look perfect. Kai probably deserves it. See, old school might just splurge it. Please don't let him resurface. They go the fastest, I go the furthest. And then they've been the hardest.
Say nothing.
And I know my man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm birth. Man just blood up the place and murk. Then man lift up. I go the furthest. And then they've been the hardest. And I know my man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm birth. Just blood up the place and murk. Then man lift up the waist and shirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Just allow me again, this and sounds of the thing. I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Don't start howling again, my dogs are different.
This is that old school stars come back to life.
This is the mainstream old school.
The mainstream old school stars.
Like old school, but it's like combined.
Beautiful, it's beautiful. It's a
like
combination
a nice
of
right in the middle, fam.
Because you can get the old school man back in there. They can also get the
sound,
the radio and that. 30.
Sounds of the thing, I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Don't start howling again, my dogs are different. Niggas run miss the same, spot the difference.
I'm on this
resistance, so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. I just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too much. Go coast to coast and I
can't lie, he's spitting a bit of facts there still, but have he deeped, yeah? He said an education in the beginning. Them 2 youths have been doing what the whole time, fam?
Oh, they've actually taking notes.
Taking notes on that.
Yo.
assistance, so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. I just love begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too much. Go coast to coast and I never get moved up. We talking racks, we talking blacks, all stats. I rude, but you do the math. I look in the south, but I live in the sticks now. We living about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money and a couple of bricks now. Big for my boot, but it's funny and fits now. The smallest got stick to my swag and tricks now. You niggas thought you were bad, you pissed now. But that boy got to the bag, you rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is now. But man might kick off your face, I'm worse.
This is hard though.
Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up the waist and skirt. You man ain't really entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. So allow me again, this and sounds of this thing. I move foul, my friends foul with a pen.
You've got to inject this one still. You've got to inject this one. I was not expecting this kind of Stormzy.
It's like man can do this to it and man can do this.
Yeah, yeah. There's a bit of both in there still.
And you know what man can do? What? Can man do this one?
Can I run this one still? Sounds of the skin. Nah, this is. I can't lie. Was not expecting that from Stormzy. Still, I thought he left that part of him behind. And I was a bit upset, but hey.
I was very upset.
How did I get my dogs in my different? Nigga run Mr. Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this on point. Throws, wrist on point. For the trolls, fist on point. The opposing your list on point. Wait there, little niggas wanna diss this track. They tryna figure out what is this track. Me and Flipper come and flip this track. My fist big like miss this track. Little niggas can't hit this track. And I knew it was a banger when I ripped this track. Man talk dirt on my name, but the truth is they're not realistic. Big it in person, whipping excursion. My niggas whip this track. Don't talk like President flips this track. Real niggas gonna dig this track.
Oh my gosh.
Man just brought up the place and murk. Then man lift up the waist, my skirt. You man ain't really entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Subset, allow me again, this and sounds of the same. I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs are different. Nigga run Mr. Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need.
Let's just say, yo, whoever's been doing his editing, his videos
is busy.
Is ridiculously busy.
Busy.
You know how long this must have taken? You know how much this is?
Clip after clip after clip after edit after edit. G.
Donny's on a dog. Donny's got a dog face. Donny's got this. Donny's got that.
His head's there. It disappeared. It
then he's stamping on someone on the floor.
And he's crushed. Now he's on the mountain doing this stuff.
Doing this.
Come on.
With a pen, dogs start howling again. My dogs are different. Nigga run Mr. Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
Be careful, yo. Keep your distance.
I said. Say nothing. You lot chatter on game on you on let me start that.
Yo, again. Brother, yo.
You lot chatter on game on Storms and he was not having it, fam.
Can't lie, he was not having it.
He was not having any of that, fam.
Did you get it?
He said some stuff in there though. He said one bar and that bar I say quite often. You lot support the Americans too much. He's got a point there, but we can't even delve into it too tough.
Went away for a while.
Yeah, we went away for a while. Went away for a while still.
For a few decades.
Yeah, understandable. Stormzy.
And now he's back. And he said, name a this consistent. I've got a question now.
I've got to pull that one up there, Storms.
I mean, you've been going for a fair long while.
For a while.
A fair long while. But if you are going to be this consistent, I'm trying to get more of it.
You know what I mean? How about this then? If you don't enjoy this video then, why don't you just leave a little like on the what you doing there, geezer?
That's how I felt like.
Just leave a like on the video, you know what I mean?
I mean, share us how you feel in the comment section below.
And you know, drop a little comment, tell your friends to comment and whatnot, you know what I mean?
Man, we'll do you anyone to press the red button, just go ahead and subscribe, mate. Cause you know what, we're gonna be out.
Yeah, we're out, see ya.
Baby, I'm camera lights, now show me action. Camera lights.